What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, we talk about a lot of things here really, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around. And yeah, today we are doing a PR box unboxing. I apologize to Pollyeye for not actually sitting down and filming this sooner. I actually did film it sooner and something went wrong. I lost the footage. Thought I uploaded it, but apparently I'm terrible. So I colored contact lenses, so you can get prescription and you get non-prescription. They sent me 4 pairs and they're all non-prescription. I am not going to lie, I have tried to put them in once and it gave me a severe anxiety attack because I wasn't really sure what I was doing. So I am going to sit down and watch a tutorial or two on how to apply contact lenses, and I will give you guys, I will make sure I insert that somewhere. I will put something where I'm actually putting one of these on my eyeballs. But I really wanted to share this PR package with you, and I do have a link, so if you're interested in anything from their website, I will link it all down below. I do believe I might get points. I could earn a commission, I'm not really sure. But just let me know, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I wanted to share this because, first of all, this is really the cutest little PR package in the whole world. It's my first actual PR package, and I wanted you guys to see it. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried anything from Pollyeye and what your thoughts are. So they did send me 4 sets of contact lenses. They all come in boxes like these. So this is the shade Sea Honey. Oh, that's really nice. So that's it right there. I might actually try this one out first. So it comes with 2. They come in these little sealed packets. I'm gonna put that back in there for now because I don't want to take everything out. They also sent me over these ones. They're in the shade Golden. Now these ones are gonna be a little bit hard to see. I don't know if you can see that in there. They'll look a little bit different on my eyes, especially because I do have green eyes. I'm really excited to try these ones out as well. They come really nicely packaged. They also sent me 4 little carrying cases, which I think is amazing. This is one that I haven't used yet. So it comes like this. It comes with your contact case. So a contact case, one of these, and just the little tweezers. Put all that back in there, and they all come with a mirror. I love that. It's so fun. The only thing is, like, for me, I don't know what I'm doing, so I was trying to use this mirror and I was like, it did come with 4 little carrying cases. This is one right here. This is another one. They're so cute. Then these ones I did actually put contacts in. This one's a little pair, and this one's just a little Happy New Year 2019. I do have 2 sets in here that I do want to use. This one is in the shade Gray. So I don't know if you can see those ones. Oh. So you just have to put them into a contact solution and let them sit for at least 6 hours prior to use. And then the last ones they sent me, oh my gosh, I'm covered in swatches. These are in the shade Pink Purple. I am really excited to try these ones. So that's them right there. Now it came with a little kitty cat. Super fun. Little container of glitter. Oh, that's so fun. And then it also came with a little necklace. That's just so cute. That's it right there. And it came in a cute little carrying case with some little tattoos. So I'm really excited. I will do an Instagram post. There will be one coming where you will see me actually figure out how to put contact lenses in my eyes. And that's all for now. I just wanted to sit down and share this stuff with you guys. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know, have you ever tried this brand before? And if you are interested, please click on the link in the description box below and you can go explore all of the different designs that they have. They do have a lot of different ones and I think they're pretty darn cool. All right, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'm feeling a little bit more like myself, so if you see a whole bunch of videos of me like with these same swatches and the same makeup, I do apologize, but I'm feeling it right now, so let's just go with it. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate all of your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. I think I wrecked one of them, to be honest.